November 10457, Greensboro, Tower 23 left, cleared for takeoff, and fly runway heading.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 23 left, 10457.
Approaching runway 23 left.
Alright.
Entered runway 23 left, 9,900 feet remaining.
I noticed there's not as many Honda jets sitting out there as there used to be.
Maybe they sold them. No, Fly Exclusive bought a bunch of that other company that went out of business. I can't remember the name of it. All right, power's coming up. Everything's in the green over there. Looking good. There's 70. Whoop. Away she goes.
Traffic, traffic.
I'll put that over just a smidgy. There goes all the fire trucks.
What altitude did she say go to?
3,000.
Okay.
November 457, turn right heading 140. This will be a short approach.
Okay, 140, 457.
64 Golf, proceed direct for Roar, and I may just...
So he's keeping us in tight on purpose because of the other guy, right? So he's trying to rush us a little bit, but that's okay. We're below glide slope.
Remember repeating, where do we proceed, 64 Golf?
64 Golf, are you on the localizer for 23 right?
Sir, localizer 23 right.
Alright, yes. Greensboro is not the best place for you guys to do a bunch of practice approaches, so...
But he recognizes me. He gives me an exception.
On the tower.
Because this is pro pilot Pete.
Yeah, that's fine. If he just gets on the final, we can kind of do it ourselves, 64 Golf.
That's cool.
64 Golf, lighting 140.
That's not official
140,
terminology.
64 Golf.
Then he should give us a 210 or something, or 200 to join. Looking good. You want to just do a low approach on this one?
Yeah.
Go mist, come back around, do a autopilot coupled.
Yeah.
Sound like a plan. All right, he's gonna give us a turn here any second now. Come on, give it to us.
November 457, turn right heading 200, join the localizer.
200 to join the localizer, 457. And that's where we'd hit the nav button, but if we were autopiloted.
Yeah.
457, 3 miles from Brant, cleared ILS, 23 left approach.
Okay, cleared ILS, 23 left approach, 457. But keep it coming around, because he kind of gave us a late turn. We'll bug around.
Well, I thought I was going to 200.
To join, and we already joined, so you got to hurry up.
Okay.
So you got to go, we went past it a little bit. Well, that's the tailwind. We had a tailwind too, I think. Because the winds are 300 or something. And then you would hit the approach, so it would grab the glide path.
Well, we're going to do that next.
Yeah. You got to get it back in though.
Yeah.
So we just kind of bug or something like that.
64 Golf, VFR descent is 3,000 approved.
VFR descent is 3,000, 64 Golf.
457, are you gonna, do you need to head into rejoin?
Yeah, we're correcting. Yeah, the wind got us a little bit.
All right, 457, contact tower.
Over the tower, 457, thank you.
Okay, let's it's moving now.
Yep, so now
Yeah.
anticipate it, but the wind is
Yeah.
kind of dragging you.
Greensboro Tower, Stationair 10457, low approach, 23 left.
Stationair 10457, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 23 left, 457.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm...
So just don't sink until
yeah.
you grab the glide slope, right?
Skyhawk 01 Golf, runway 23 right, clear for the option. Traffic
Yeah.
to Stationair on a 6-mile final for the parallel runway.
23 right, clear for the option, and we're going to make this a full stop. We're looking for the landing traffic, Skyhawk 901 Golf.
Skyhawk 01 Golf,
So
roger.
as it grabs it, as it comes up on it, that's when
Yeah.
you can set your power settings, right?
Yeah. I'm still right of it. I mean, left of
Yeah,
it.
just a little bit, and we're coming up on
Okay.
glide path. But we're sinking a little
Yeah.
bit early, that's all.
Okay.
And then whatever your normal power settings
Yeah.
would be, what, like 17,
15.
15, and
Kinda
one notch
special,
of flaps
yeah.
if you wanted to.
Yeah, I normally don't put any flaps down until I'm...
All right, so start it
Well,
there.
when I'm... Now that I'm flying it by hand, though, I guess I would.
But not lower than those, so
Yeah.
we can catch
Yeah.
back up to it. Maybe
Okay.
600 foot a minute. There you go.
Alert. Terrain ahead.
Oh, my phone is telling me terrain ahead. I don't think so. All right, we're still slightly high.
Yeah.
We're close to on course, right
Yeah.
on the course. We're just
Okay.
slightly high. Just don't let it
Yeah.
balloon, right?
Yeah.
It's trying to raise up on you. Now start fudging back just a
Okay.
midget.
I'm still way high.
So ease your power back just a little bit more, right? And scooch a little to the left.
Okay.
Now it's coming in, right? It's starting to come in.
Yep.
We're still high though, so we definitely want to keep our sink rate so until we catch it. We're going down to 1089.
Okay.
Little to the right.
Okay. Yeah.
So I would be just doing
Yeah.
little bitty corrections, whatever it would
Yeah.
take, you know?
$500.
Yeah, I was high the whole way, wasn't I?
Yep, and we're still
Yeah.
high.
Damn.
But as soon as he got us on that
Yeah.
perpendicular, we could have
Yeah.
slowed down maybe. Got the
Yeah.
power set earlier. That would have helped.
Okay.
All right, at around
11,
1,100 feet, we'll go missed, right?
Yeah. So what do I do?
So just go full power, start it climbing,
And then
and
don't
then
don't
get
do-
rid of flaps whenever you're climbing nice.
Okay.
So go ahead and go full power.
Skyhawk 01 Golf, turn left Hotel 4, contact ground point Niner.
All right, we're climbing
ground
good.
line
You
over
get
there.
the flaps up.
Okay.
Then it's just a normal climb, right?
Yeah.
And then we would go missed, fly whatever he told us. He would probably give us a runway heading to 3,000.
Traffic, traffic.
He's on the ground.
Tower Skyhawk 7764 Golf, we're doing a straight in for 23 right.
So we'll just fly that heading.
64 Golf,
Okay.
Greensboro Tower, runway 23 right, clear to land, winds 310.
He didn't really tell me.
Gust 19er.
Direct clear to land.
If he doesn't say anything, I'll tell him we're on the mist.
Okay.
And 457's on the mist.
Stationair 457, roger. Turn left heading 140 and maintain VFR out or below 3,000.
Okay, 140 at or below 3,000, 457, thank you. And this next one will be a full stop.
457, roger. Number 457, contact departure 126.6.
You want 26.6 or 24.35?
November 457, 124.35. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We'll talk to you in a bit.
As it comes in.
Number 457, 5 miles from Branch, left, heading 260, maintain 3,000 until stop, shut most lights, quit ILS 23 left. Okay, 260, 3,000 until established, cleared ILS 23 left. 457.
Nope, that's the magic words. All right, approach is armed.
Greensboro 604 Delta is at a 4,000 for
So watch, even this turn, it's already, is it starting to move? This one's a little easier to read than that one, right?
Yeah.
Until it comes in. I think it's already starting.
2000.
Well, maybe not. Maybe, looking out the window now, right?
Officer 04 Delta, radar contact, about 3 miles west of the...
Yeah, I'm not looking.
And he kind of went a little too far, didn't he?
Maintain 12000.
What do you mean?
Is he right on the 260?
For 12000.
Or is he on 250?
No, I've got it set on 260.
Yeah, but I'm saying is your
Yeah, I think he's
George
gonna,
flying a little left.
Yeah. Yeah, see, it doesn't in the turbulence. My heading.
He's drifting a little. So you might want to help him and make him do 270.
Yeah.
Right? Because he did get a little lazy, right? He was a little left of that heading bug. But I can see the track, the little.
Yeah, I don't know why I won't get over there to 270.
He's working on it. Maybe you need a little rudder to help.
Give it a little more. You're right, that wind's coming out of that direction too.
Okay, localizer's alive.
Okay.
They're both moving.
Gotcha. Okay.
Officer 04 Delta, waiting on center, take a handoff.
And glide slope is armed.
November 04 Delta, contact them now.
He did pretty good looking out the window, right? He did good.
4.05.
He did better going that way.
Today.
As long as he doesn't drift. He might be nice and square and then the wind's gonna blow us a little left, of course. Yep, see it's blowing us just a little bit.
Let's see how he does.
He's correct.
Yeah.
He's correct.
Cruiser approach, Cherokee number 6341 Romeo, inbound landing Greensboro with Foxtrot level for lead out.
Glide slope is alive.
Gotcha.
Start easing your power back for that, right?
Yeah.
To make it easier on the autopilot. So, you know, if you're going real fast, he really has to work hard.
6341 Romeo, Greensboro approach, squawk 0146, altimeter 2978.
0146 for Romeo.
He's figuring it out though. He is doing a little zigzag up there. Alright, glide slope. Good coming
November
in.
41 Romeo, radar contact 5 miles east of Walnut Cove, altitude.
Yeah,
it's got it.
3023, right?
And he should do about 500 foot a minute.
Yeah.
Yep, he is.
We have Foxtrot for Romeo.
November 457, contact tower.
Over to tower 457, thanks for the help.
Orders Marshall 443, see you in a bit.
Greensboro Tower, Stationair 10457, southwest 23 left.
And I normally don't do the flaps until I see the runway.
23 left, clear land.
Clear land 23 left, 457.
Alright, so we're clear to land.
You understand why I don't? Because it'll balloon up.
So you have to hold it when you get them. But you could help them and hold as you get flat. Or you could do it slower. You don't have to flip it fast, right?
Turn right heading 300, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff. Traffic's a Stationair on a 4-mile final.
Turn right 300.
So at like 1200, kick off the autopilot and get your flaps.
Yeah.
And just kind of forcibly hold it so it doesn't balloon up.
Runway now is Cherokee.
That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, yeah. He's doing good. He's on both of them. He's a little left, a little right, of course. A little bit, but he's thinking about going back. There he goes. He's fudging back, and he's a little high. As it gets more sensitive, he's struggling, right? But realistically, when it's a really low IFR day, a lot of times it's not as different winds, you know, not normally.
It's not this bumpy.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
Greensboro Tower, Cherokee number 6341 Romeo, right base 023 right.
6341 Romeo, Greensboro Tower, runway 23
He's
right,
slightly
clear to land.
looking out the window. We are just slightly right, of course.
Cherokee 6, correction, Skyhawk 64 Golf, turn left at Mike 2, contact ground. Correction, turn left at Hotel 2 and contact ground.
left at Hotel 2, contact ground.
You want to kick the autopilot off early and scooch over because that plane taxiing out might be getting
500.
I don't know why it wasn't doing very good.
He was just holding that same offset all the way.
Tower, Roger, traffic, short final.
He's an old autopilot too. He's a little tired. He's like, I can hold it, but I ain't gonna hold it perfect. He was just holding that little bit of offset all the way, right?
Warrior 566, contact departure.
Contact departure 566.
All right, looking good. Our speed is slowing. We're doing about 80-ish.
Piedmont 5935, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
Ooh, my goodness.
23
Look
left,
at there.
line up and wait. Piedmont
I like butter. Just don't let me drift now. Don't mess up a good landing by taxiing crookedy.
Stationair 457, turn right at Kilo 3 and contact ground point 9er.
Right at Kilo 3, ground point 9er, 457, thanks for the help.